Today I was teaching a group of students about dyslipidemia, and one of the students raised the question regarding lipoprotein little a, LP little a. So before telling you what is LP little a, first of all I'd like to tell you one thing. I have seen many cases of atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease, stroke, coronary syndrome, myocardial infarctions. Those patients did not have any metabolic derangements, either in the form of diabetes, hypertension, dyslipidemia. Despite those groups of patients had atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease. So there is no rise in LDL, no diabetes, no hypertension, no smoking, right? Despite those groups of patients had atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease. So how do you explain atherosclerosis in these groups of patients? So that's where the role of LP little a comes. So LP little a, you cannot modify it, whether you smoke or don't smoke, whether you have diabetes or not diabetes, or whether you have raised cholesterol, triglycerides or not, it does not matter, right? This is determined by genetics, and the value of little a correlates with the risk of atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease. That's why guidelines recommend that do a screening of LP little a, especially if you have a family history of atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease. You must get done, right? Actually, they recommend it to do in all populations, regardless of whether you have family history or not, because it helps you to gain an estimate of your future risk of atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease. And you know that ASCVD is one of the major cause of morbidity and mortality in this present world.